Paramedical courses are industry-aligned and job-oriented skilled programs that transform an individual learner into a competent health worker. Paramedics helps the doctors in better diagnosis, treatment and therapy. Students after passing 12th standard in science stream, PCB, PCM from any board or open schooling can do paramedical courses, paramedical sciences overall. We offer many courses at diploma and degree, UG and PG levels.
We are following a comprehensive way of admission process starting from one-to-one interaction and followed by screening of the students and helping them to guide students to choose right courses basis their interest.
Paramedics is not an unfamiliar word in today's world. They are the strongest and the utmost association for the well-being of the patients, and it is also linked with the working of other medical alliances. The main focus of the institution is to empower the students with sound knowledge, life values, wisdom, and employability skills, which is of utmost importance to become globally competent in today's world. For this, we have a dynamic team of faculty which is striving hard for the student's success. The environment is also very congenial for learning so that the student grabs maximum opportunities and uses their maximum potential by going to various clinical training programs associated with the hospital's tie-ups.
Here I am also taking classes for the students of various departments like physiotherapy departments, medical radiology and imaging technology department, as well as OT technology department. And the teaching methodology which we adopt is not only to provide the adequate knowledge to students of various courses, but simultaneously to enhance their personality as well as to make him or her capable to work in the bigger hospitals with wide array of patients.
Day by day, we are conducting the meetings to improve the quality of the education. All the teachers are highly educated. They are using different latest technology in their methodology.
विशेष तौर पे मैं जो बच्चे पहाड़ के सुदूर क्षेत्रों के हैं या हिंदी मीडियम स्कूल्स के पढ़े बच्चे हैं उनसे ये कहना चाहूँगा कि अगर आपकी बायोलॉजी सब्जेक्ट में रुचि है और मेडिकल साइंस में रुचि है तो आप पैरामेडिकल और नर्सिंग प्रोग्राम्स को ज़रूर ज्वाइन करें। और पैरामेडिकल और नर्सिंग का मतलब जो है लैब टेक्नीशियन या नर्सिंग ही नहीं है, इसके अंदर और भी बहुत सारे कोर्सेज़ हैं जैसे कि एक्सरे टेक्नीशियन है, ऑपरेशन थिएटर टेक्नीशियन है, ICU टेक्नीशियन है, रेडियो इमेजिंग टेक्नोलॉजी टेक्नीशियन है। इस तरीके से कई सारे कोर्सेज़ हैं और अब नया जो ट्रेंड है इसमें हर एक टेक्नोलॉजी का स्पेसिफाइड कोर्स है, जिससे कि आपको कोर्सेज़ की एक बहुत बड़ी वाइड रेंज मिलती है जिसमें से आप अपनी रुचि के अनुसार किसी भी कोर्स को ऑप्ट कर सकते हैं।
Employment opportunities for paramedical professionals are increasing day by day, not only in India but also in foreign countries. After completing the basic course in any of the paramedical streams, one can take up a job in a nursing home, hospitals, clinics, and in any healthcare organization. They can go for academic career in colleges and university as lecturers and demonstrators. For hands-on training, we have an on-campus hospital and lab, Guru Nanak Dev Hospital, and tie-ups with distinguished hospitals and diagnostic centers like WellMed, Max, and Sikand. Our top placements include Max Hospital, Chandan Diagnostics, Sikand Diagnostics, Medanta Hospital, Apollo Hospital, Metro Hospital, Pathkind Laboratories, Shroff Eye Care, Fortis, that are proof of a curated pedagogy.
Our focus is on learning objectives and outcomes facilitated through an array of means not limited to expert faculty, teaching aids, industry exposure and practical training while constantly upgrading our pedagogy. If you can think it, dream it, we're here to help you turn into reality.